Every second, airborne virus particles drift into your nasal passage, landing on respiratory epithelium where their surface spikes lock onto host receptors. The cell membrane engulfs the intruder into a protective vesicle that uncoats, releasing genetic code that travels along microtubules to slip through a nuclear pore. Inside, the virus integrates with your DNA, hijacking ribosomes into an overdrive factory that mass produces viral proteins and copies. As these particles crowd the interior, the host cell membrane violently bursts, unleashing a wave of viruses that infect adjacent cells and cause tissue damage. Before collapsing, the cell releases interferon distress signals, alerting nearby capillaries. Neutrophils and macrophages squeeze through the vessel walls via diapedesis to reach the site. While macrophages perform phagocytosis to clear debris, millions of Y-shaped antibodies swarm and neutralize free-floating viruses, resolving the infection and leaving memory cells behind. Finally, the tissue successfully resolves the infection, clearing the remaining residue and leaving specialized memory cells behind to patrol the area for lifelong immunity.